There are very many industries that 138 years ago were dominated by men. And today, we might even see some more women in those industries. My name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 2, number 17, which reads, the writer is considering deleting the previous sentence. Should the writer make this change? And so, when you're considering a question like this, you want to read the first sentence of the paragraph. Well, in this case, the first sentence of the paragraph is the sentence in question, because you got to make sure it fits within the paragraph. You also want to check out the transitions. Read the sentence before, read the sentence after. Make sure the transitions make sense. So we're going to read the sentence before. And the sentence before reads, the menu was modeled after those of fine restaurants, so the food was leagues beyond the abysmal or really bad fare or food travelers were accustomed to receiving in transit. His restaurants, and it's talking about Harvey just before, were immediately successful, but Harvey was not content to follow conventional business practices. Although women did not traditionally work in restaurants in the 19th century, Harvey decided to try employing women as waitstaff. So, should the writer, pay attention to the question, should the writer delete it? If we look at the first sentence of the paragraph, he's not going to follow conventional or traditional business practices. If we look at the sentence after, it says women did not traditionally or conventionally work in restaurants in the 19th century, but he's going to employ them as waitstaff. Paragraphs go from general to specific. The author here is making a general statement. Harvey was not following convention. And then he gets more specific after that. How is he not following convention? He's employing women as wait staff, whereas women usually did not wait on tables. So it looks like the writer should not delete it. So we're going to get rid of the yes answers. This could be a little bit confusing because it's not as straightforward. It's asking you what should be, whether it should be deleted. Answer choice A, yes, because it introduces information that is irrelevant at this point in the passage. It's not, as we just saw. Yes, because it does not logically follow from the previous paragraph. It's fine. So let's see which wrong answer, which answer choice C or D it is. No, because it provides a logical introduction to the paragraph. That sounds good. General to specific, conventional business practices to more specifically how it's conventional. Answer choice D, no, because it provides a specific example in support of arguments made elsewhere in the passage. Well, it's not specific. First sentence of the paragraph is typically more general, as we saw, and are the points made elsewhere in the passage. Well, in the sentence after, it is making that more specific point, but answer choice C is your correct answer. No, it provides a logical introduction to the paragraph. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with this type of question. Should you delete it? Should you add it? Should you keep it? If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.